Now, good morning, students. Now, let us start the next topic, that is area of combination of figures. Combination of figure means we will be given figures including circle, segment, sector, or anything that we have studied. We are starting exercise 12.3, and before each exercise there are a number of solved questions you have to do. As I told in the previous class, first of all you have to be careful about the units, conversion of units as well as unit of the thing that you are asked to find out. जो भी दे रखा है उसका यूनिट और यूनिट्स को कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हुए, और लास्ट एरिया तो उसको मीटर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर ये लिखना भूलना नहीं, otherwise you will lose mark. Now we are doing questions based on the combination of figures. Now all the solved questions you have to do. There are 5 examples you have to do by yourself. Don't avoid it. And I am reading question number 1 of exercise 12.3. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.19 if PQ equal to 24 and PR equal to 7. O is the center of the circle. You are asked to find area of this shaded region. This shaded region is actually coming by removing triangle from semicircle. Semicircle में से triangle को remove करेंगे, area मिलेगा. Then the area of the shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. For that, what you are given? You are given PQ. This length PQ is given as 24 centimeter, and what else? PR is given as 7 centimeter. Now, if you can find QR, QR is the diameter of the circle. QR find out कर सकते हैं, तो diameter of circle मिलेगा, उसमें से radius मिलेगा. Now, consider this angle. This angle is in semicircle. You have studied in class 9. Angle in semicircle is 90 degree. So that is angle RPQ is equal to 90 degree. Reason angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can find QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. That is 24 cm whole square plus 7 cm whole square. That is 576 cm square plus 49 cm square. That is 625 cm square. That means we got the radius of the circle as diameter of circle as under root of 625. That is QR is equal to under root 625. That is 25 cm. Now how we can find radius? Radius is equal to just half of this 25 by 2. इसको ऐसे रहने देना, cancellation हो जाएगा. Now area, required area of the shaded region. Therefore area of the shaded region is equal to area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle PQR. This is PQR. That is semicircle area pi r square by 2. Since this is right triangle, half BH is the formula for finding area. That is, you are asked to take pi is 22 by 7, r is 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 upon, you will get the, let me check, that is 25, half pi r square is half into pi r square by 2, that is, you can write this half here, half into 22 by 7 into 25 by 2 into 25 by 2. If you solve this, you will get 6875 upon 28. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा, this will cancel it in 11 times, 6875 upon 28 cm square. Now this is the area of this what I can say semicircle. इसको वैल्यू बाद में हम लिखेंगे, पहले इसको वैल्यू सारे पुट कर लेते हैं. हाफ BH. B means what? You can take B is this one, H is this one. This is you are given QR as this is P. You are given PQ as P कितना दे रखा है 4. Half into 24 into 7. Now if you solve this, इसको अभी solve करेंगे. Let me rub it. No need of figure. अभी figure की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. If you solve this, you will get this part is, as I told you, 6875 upon 28 cm square we will do final solution after converting into decimal form. If you change this, you will get 84 minus 84 cm square. Now if you take this LCM, you will get this as 6875 minus, very complicated, if you multiply 28 into 84, you will get 2352 upon 28 cm square. Calculation बहुत बड़ा है. That means 4523 upon 28 cm square. If you solve this, you will get 161.54 cm square. 151.54 cm square. That is the answer of this part. That is question number 12.3 exercise. Question number, let me check once more. 12.3 exercise. That page, I am just searching the page, where is the answer? Otherwise, let us check afterwards. Question number, this is not given in this one, no problem. We will check afterwards. That is question number first, that is answer of this part is, first part का answer है 161.54 cm square. अब उसका आंसर चेक करना है. इन माई बुक इट इज नॉट गिवन बिकॉज ऑल पेजेस आर टोन. सारे पेज टोन हो गया तो उसका आंसर नहीं है, आप चेक कर लेना. बिकॉज दिस बुक इट इज नॉट गिवन. इट इज 12.3 एक्सरसाइज में आंसर दे रखा है 4523.28 तक दे रखा है, लेकिन इट इज बेटर टू कन्वर्ट इन डेसिमल फॉर्म. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, we will do 2-3 question after that. Next question we will do in the next class. Question number 2. I am reading the question. Find area of the shaded region in figure 12.20 if the radii of two concentric circles with center O are 7 cm and 14 cm respectively and angle OAC equal to 40 degree. You are given two concentric circles. Concentric circles का मतलब क्या होता है? Circle with same center and different radius. You are given two concentric circles. First one is this one, inner one has radius 7 cm and outer has radius let me check 14 cm. The figure is given like this. Angle between the two radius is given as 40. You are asked to find area of this region. This can be written as OAB and CD. Now you are given that theta is equal to 40 degree. OB, that is inner radius, that is 7 cm. Let it take R1 7 cm. OC outer radius, let us take in the previous question 14 cm. Now area of shaded region is equal to area of bigger sector. Bigger sector means कौन सा है? Bigger sector you can name as OCD. Bigger sector OCD minus area of smaller sector OAB. OCD is the biggest one and OAB is the smallest one. Yeah, I am rubbing the figure. No need of figure. Now first of all write the formula, that is theta by 360 into pi r2 square, क्योंकि पहले बाहर का आएगा then अंदर का, minus theta by 360 into pi r1 square, and theta is a constant, that is 40 degree. Now as I told you, first of all take the common factor, that is simplify the formula. After that put the value pi theta by 360 into r2 square minus r1 square. Again you can use the formula a square minus b square. You will get pi theta by 360 degree into r2 plus r1 into r2 minus r1. Now put the values. अब आप इसके वैल्यू पुट कर लेते हैं. इसी तरह हमेशा क्वेश्चन को फॉर्मूला अगर सिंप्लीफाई होता है, फॉर्मूला को सिंप्लीफाई करके करेंगे कभी गलती नहीं होगी. दैट इज पाई इज 22/7 एंड थीटा इज 40 डिग्री by 360 degree. 14 plus 7 into 14 minus 7. That means 22/7 into 1/9 into 21 into 7. This is getting cancelled, and if you solve it, you will get it as 154/3 centimeter square. Now if you convert in decimal form, you will get 51.33 cm square. It is given in the book this much, 154/3, but it is better to complete the question in decimal form. This is second question. Now third question I am reading is find the area of the region, shaded region in the figure. In this type of question, you will be given always figure. Without figure, you can't do the questions. In each and every question, you can find the figure. Find area of the shaded region. Figure 12.21. If ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC are semicircle. That is question number 3. You are given a square. Let it be square. Let ABCD be the square that you are given. And naming is like this. As in the figure. Figure के जैसे naming करना है. You are given two semicircles like this one and this one. दो semicircle दे रखा आपको ऐसे. And you are asked to find area of this shaded region. ये shaded region का area निकालना है. For this, what you are given? You are given the square is of side 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter है square का side. तो ये शेडेड रीजन का एरिया निकालने के लिए आपको स्क्वायर के एरिया में से दोनों सेमी सर्कल का एरिया माइनस करना है. नाउ साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू डायमीटर ऑफ सेमी सर्कल. डायमीटर ऑफ सेमी सर्कल इज इक्वल टू 14 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन is equal to area of square minus 2 into area of semicircles. That is side square. That is sides. First of all, write the formula. Side square minus 2 into pi r square by 2. This 2 is getting cancelled. That is 14 cm whole square minus 22 by 7 into 14 by 2. Radius is 14 by 2 7. That is since 14 by 2 7, you can write it directly. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. That means this is 196 cm square and this is 154 cm square. ये 196 cm square है, 154 cm square. That means this is equal to 42 cm square. इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले रेडियस ऑफ द डायमीटर ऑफ द सेमीसर्कल इक्वल टू साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. फॉर्मूला लिख दिया, फॉर्मूला में वैल्यू पुट कर लिया. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडेज दिस क्लास इज रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन वी विल डू इन द कमिंग क्लास. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. आई एम रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन. Find the area of the shaded region given in figure 12.22 where a circular disc of radius 6 cm has been drawn with vertex O. Where a circular arc of radius 6 cm has been drawn with a vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 cm as shown in the figure. Figure is like this. You are given a circle. First of all, you are given a circle. Let the circle be this with center O. इसमें से equilateral triangle बनाया गया है and the radius of the circle is given as 6 and the side of triangle is given as let me draw a little bit proportionate way, and the side of triangle is given as this is O, this is A, this is B, this is equilateral triangle. You are asked to find area of the whole part. सारे पार्ट का एरिया निकालना है. तो सारे पार्ट का एरिया निकालना मीन्स यू कैन फाइंड एरिया ऑफ सर्कल प्लस एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. बट एरिया ऑफ सर्कल एंड एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल ये बीच का रीजन बार बार आ रहा है, दिस रीजन, तो इसको एक बार माइनस करना है. That is area of the shaded region is equal to area of circle plus area of equilateral triangle OAB minus if you can give the name of the triangle as some sector as something minus area of sector OCD. क्योंकि सर्कल लेंगे तभी ये पार्ट आएगा, ट्रायंगल लेंगे तभी ये पार्ट आएगा, दो बार आएंगे, एक बार माइनस करना है. दैट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस √3/4 a स्क्वायर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट द फॉर्मूला माइनस थीटा बाय 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. दैट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर इज इफ यू राइट द वैल्यूज 22/7 इंटू 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. You will we will write do afterwards. Plus √3/4 a square that is root 3 by 4 into a is 12 into 12 minus theta is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. Now let me rub the figure. No need of figure. That means question number 4 again. If you change it, you will get the first part as 792.7. 792 by 7 minus 36 plus 36 root 3. क्योंकि ट्रायंगल का एरिया ऐड करना है एंड सेक्टर का एरिया यू विल गेट एस व्हाट विल इफ यू सॉल्व इट यू गेट 132 by 7 होल cm square. cm square लिखना है. Once I am saying area of circle is getting as 792 by 7 plus area of triangle is 36 root 3. Area of sector is 132 by 7. If you compare these two, you will get 660 by 7 plus 36 root 3. Now if you put the value of root 3 as 1.73, this is cm square. If you solve it, you will get the answer as 32.01 cm square. As I told you, you have to convert it in the form decimal form. It in the book it is given. This is question number which one? Question number 4. In book it is given as this much, but you have to do final in decimal form. Now, if you, I hope that you have understood today's class. See you again in the next class. Thank you.